mantra, so which mantra you are chanting. When you say a root mantra, these mantras are very, very powerful. They have to add as a strength. Don't use them as a weapons. There is no weaponry. There are no guns. Mantras are not a guns. People are trying to use mantras as a gun. Holding a gun is very bad. Mantra is a part of a sacred thread. It is to aid. It is to help you. It is to help you. You are weak. It is additional strength given to you. Don't use it as a tool of a gun, a tool of breaking, a tool of constructing it is. Many people use it as, when you try to use mantra as an advantage, that is called, you are using it as a gun. When you use mantra as understanding, mantra as it will be very helpful for me, I am very low, let this mantra gives me strength, then that is you are using a mantra for the right purpose. Mantra should never be used for the power. Mantra should never be used for attaining some siddhi. Mantra should never be used for attaining certain power. Always understand, mantra used for attaining a siddhi, very, very detrimental. In Shiva Samhita, gives very powerful mantra. Entire Shiva Samhita is all about one mantra, Garanda Samhita, Shiva Samhita, prevailing Hatha Yoga texts, Tantric texts. In Shiva Samhita, entire Shiva Samhita is about only one mantra. But that one mantra makes you like a Nath Guru Kapalikas, makes you powerful, and it is written in Shiva Samhita, all the angels come behind you, all the beautiful women come behind you, and all these people will come behind you. You want that kind of thing? So where you want to be a Hollywood star, hero, and all the girls in the world, so just want to look at you. Is it for that Shiva Samhita is meant? That's why Shiva Samhita is not a great text. So it clearly, each shloka explains in that Shiva Samhita. It is available text for you. Including English translations are available. When you read the text and this mantra you practice, you become very powerful, and you become, all the women will be, and following like, so like sheep, and the most beautiful also will fall for you. What kind of nonsense attitude one should have to practice that kind of the mantra? But people love. I have seen, and these are the mantras in India people love. Present generation, not present, even during my contemporary, people are interested in the power, not interested in transformation in them. They want to use the power. They want to show, I know about your history. I know your parents. I know your history. I can read your mind. I have seen hundreds of them like this. You have to understand the delicacy of this mantra business. Mantra is simply to protect you, not to harm you. It is like holding a knife. Say a knife held by a dacoit is different. A knife held by a surgeon is different. Mantra is like a knife held by a surgeon. It is not a mantra held by a dacoit. He uses knife, and to get the money from you. I heard in America, people come while you are walking, and people come and simply behind you, while among the public itself are there, it seems they will keep the gun here. And simply, so they will take away your purse and everything they empty out. You don't even have to look back. You don't even have to gesture anyone. That's the way the money is stolen, it seems. So that's the way it is. So mantra, if you are using like that, if you are using for the power, means it is something like that. How you feel somewhere in the New York or in Times Square or somewhere in London, James Street you are going, and someone came and kept, so a knife here, a sharp knife here, and you immediately know it is extortion, and immediately money is taken. So mantra is not for extortion.